Hi folks, welcome back. Well, sorting out some shelves in the cupboard. Sandra's asked me for some, she wants to use this cupboard basically as a pantry when we're away. Keep all the foodstuffs and whatever, so it's in the one place. I've built a little boxing in to cover the heater duct. Awkward to put on with one hand and holding the camera. Anyway, that'll get carpeted up once it's sorted out. Get the shelves sanded up and carpeted. Yeah, quite pleased with the way they've turned out. I've got the door off just to make life easy for myself, so it's lying on the bed there. I've also filled in the gap on the ceiling boards with some filler. Masticed round the back of the pelmet at the end there, and the new pieces of wood where it meets the ceiling. Just fills the gaps, tidies it up, stops it squeaking and rattling. But yeah, quite happy with it. So next wee mission is as I say, sand that up, get the door back on, and then tomorrow I'll come back and put these bits of plastic trim down these corners just to tighten them up a bit. A little bit down there. Yeah, as I say, I've already fixed, if you remember, a while back I cracked the mirror and I made those two little bits of timber, so I've now fitted them. Hi. So yeah, it's getting on with it, and it's another job that needed doing badly was the awning. The awning is absolutely filthy. It's obviously been put away wet at some point, and it's quite mouldy and stuff, and it's got all these little brown little leaves. I don't know where they've came from, but they're all stuck to the underside of the awning anyway. So going to give them all a scrub up, try and get rid of most of the marks. Don't know why I'm bothering really, because it's coming off the van. I'm selling it, or I'm going to put a new Fiamma awning, because I'm actually a Fiamma dealer. I'm actually dealing Fiamma awnings and Fiamma products. So yeah, it's one of them. It's a bit nonsensical not to have one on my own van. So this one's going to a new home. It's already been spoken for from somebody. So yeah, it's going to give it a good clean, and that's the tear from our last visit to Coniston, where we got caught out by the thunderstorm in the middle of the night, and it literally filled the awning with water and collapsed it. So yeah, I've got some awning tape to fix that with, so that's another mission. So anyway, end of the day, I've got the plastic trims in. Still got to silicone them up and seal them, but that's the trims in. It makes it look a whole lot better. I've still got the little piece of trim to put down the side of the toilet there, and to seal the top of the toilet. But yeah, we get there. Got the door back on in the cupboard, so that's that functioning again. I see Sandra's going to give it a clean out. I've ordered some carpet for it, so that's another mission for another day. And mirrors, I've been messing about with mirrors, because obviously being a left hand drive, when I enter roundabouts I've got a bit of a blind spot, and if I'm on my own it can get a bit dangerous. So I was trying to fix a mirror to a blind spot mirror at the bottom that I could manoeuvre out. Didn't happen. So what I've come up with, the reversing camera, temporarily done for now just to see if it works. There you go. So plug it into the cigarette lighter and it brings on the camera, which is fixed to the mirror. So plug it in. So when I come up to a roundabout, once I've got it positioned, I'll have it at an angle that I can see the blind spot. So I'll just plug that in. but I will have it actually on a switch. So it'll just be a case of when I come up the roundabout, when I can't see, I'll flick the switch and on will come the camera. This is just all the temporary wiring. It was more or less to see if it worked, and it does successfully. So yeah, that's basically the size of it. It's absolutely throwing it down, as you can see. We've got amber weather warnings for thunderstorms at the moment, and it's really clacking it down. So yeah, just lock the van up and go in for something to eat and upload the video. Step in. As you can see, it's just clamped on at the moment, but I will make a bracket so it'll be on the outside of that arm, and I'll be able to adjust the infinite positions. But yeah, really pleased with it. So I'll get that sorted out, and I'll let you see what the progress is, and I'll give it a trial run on the way to Coniston, and I'll let you know my progress. But anyway, that's about it. I'm getting soaked here, so thanks for watching, people. Take care out there and all that. Ta-ra for now.